Well, satellite and radar imagery from early this evening, looking around that 5 to 6 o'clock time frame, we can see the two setups monitored where there's a shortwave that has a bit more moisture associated with it, carrying some rain showers there into Wisconsin, where the storms have been popping up quickly underneath some heating is along a frontal boundary that has even driven some of these storms to carry gusty winds and some hail. And we'll continue with those strong storms through the evenings. And then even note that as storms continue to develop, especially along that front, there is some continued carry through the overnight. So note that some middle of the night wake up calls may come from that thunder. So note slumber may be disrupted. Now Friday starts off like Saturday or our Thursday here, where we had some cloud cover around, but there is that potential still to create the unstable environment to fire up another round of those afternoon storms, where we will see again, we have a marginal to slight risk for severe weather. Main concerns would hold with that hail and wind threat. So stay weather aware, especially being Friday, many hitting the pavement, potentially heading north. You may run into some of those thundery downpours that can slow down that travel a bit. So please be very careful out on those roadways if you will be traveling. So we'll want to find ways to definitely stay cool for Saturday. Now for Friday, temperature trend pretty similar to our Thursday. We really are nearly copy and pasting our Thursday into our Friday. Now, Saturday, much different. All day sunshine is expected, and it's going to be very summery, where temperatures extending to 87 into Hibbing, 89 into Fargo, 86 into St. Cloud, 88 into Eau Claire, to 90 into Mankato. And with that warmth paired up with our strong sun angle, we'll want to take those precautions to stay cool, stay hydrated, and protect from the UV. UV index across the state's looking at a 7 to 9. That means that underneath that strong sun, the forecast to sunburn is only 15 minutes. So reapplying that sunscreen is key. Some of those protective sun layers, and even just taking breaks in that shade for a little bit to allow for us to cool our bodies down and limit that sunburn risk. We'll carry that warm sunshine into Sunday, but Sunday will start to show some changes where we especially will note some breezier winds, as well as starting to return to a chance for thunderstorms. A bit more likely statewide on Monday, but we'll have some afternoon storms possible for our Sunday. Now, afternoon storms possible for our Friday in the Twin Cities with a high of 84. Again, pretty much that copy and paste conversation here from our Thursday into Friday. Area wide, we'll break up some of that cloud cover. Highs reach those mid 80s. And then we have that hot sunshine for our Saturday. We're in the metro. We're looking to hit the upper 80s. Again, carrying pretty similar setup as well into Sunday. But by end of day Sunday, we track some storms, and then more storms will last into next week.